Now children, you see, why does magnesium has two positive charge? It has actually lost electrons, two electrons, but to whom it has lost? It has lost to chlorine atoms. One magnesium atom loses one electron to one chlorine and the other electron to other chlorine. Therefore the formula Mg is 1 and Cl2, that means 2 chlorine atom, and that is why the formula MgCl2. And when we put this in aqueous solution, MgCl2 dissociate into Mg plus plus, sometimes we write Mg plus 2, that means 2 plus are there, plus 2Cl. 2C I have put in front. 2Cl means there are separate 2 chlorine atoms. Did you understand? 2 chlorine atoms. So that means each chlorine atom will receive 1 electron from a magnesium atom. Alright. Now, so these are electrovalent compounds. A lot of combination of positive and negative ions can take place. NaOH is actually made by sodium atom losing an electron to a group of atom, that is hydrogen and oxygen atom. So the hydroxyl ion, the system of hydrogen and oxygen, actually gains an electron. So children, more or less you have understood this formation of ionic compound. Why I taught you this is because the ionic compounds, they break up into, as I said, positive and negative ions, and they can conduct electricity. A lot of chemical effects, that means a lot of innovations can be done, a lot of application of these ionic compound is there, which serves us in various field of day-to-day life. So one by one I will start that. First of the things you should understand, the word electrolyte. Electrolyte means such compounds which are polar in nature, which can dissociate into positive and negative ion. Electrolytes can conduct electricity. Electrolyte dissociate into ions. Those are the things we have to understand. Now suppose I see over here, I take up a cell. Children, this is a system in which there are positive and negative terminals of a battery connected to a conductor, and then the conductors are connected to some conducting plates. So when we know that negative electrode has got abundance of electron, positive electrode has got scarcity of electrons, so we tie them to some conducting plates. So these plates are called electrodes. Suppose I put NaCl salt over there and have a look what happens. Firstly, NaCl solution. So NaCl will break up into negative and positive ions. Actually, this sign is actually telling that there is a dynamism going on inside. NaCl, some atoms are breaking and some atoms are combining. So there is presence of ion over here, plus ions or minus ions. That means I can write down over here that there is Na plus ion and Cl minus ion moving here and there. Na plus ion and Cl minus ion moving here and there. So now what will happen? Na plus ion and Cl minus ion will be moving here and there. So now what will happen? Let us see. When this is the negative electrode, alright, this is the negative electrode.